problems from R.S. Aggarwal, chapter number 14, that means the practical geometry or the construction. R.S. Aggarwal, chapter number 14. We have already done the problems from the NCERT, from the R.S. Aggarwal. Now today we will revise from exercise 14.A, 14A, page number 186. There are so many problems are given, but in general, when any construction is done, there have a particular process, and in the exercise there have given much more problems on the basis of the main process. Okay, so there have also given so many problems. From here we will construct some geometrical figure. Basically, an angle, draw an angle with a protractor and copy it. Draw an angle and bisect it. Draw a line segment and construct a line perpendicular. Construct an angle without protractor, that means with pencil compass. So these kind of problems are included in your chapter, in this chapter. So we will solve so many important problems from here. Question number 1. Draw a line segment PQ. Draw a line segment PQ. PQ, a line segment. Its length is 6.2 centimeter, and draw the perpendicular bisector PQ. Perpendicular bisector of PQ. So now everybody open your geometrical instrument and draw 6.2 centimeter. Now at first draw along with me, everybody open your geometrical instrument. 6.2 centimeter. Now this is the blackboard. So if I will take these measures, you do not observe clearly. Okay, so I am increasing the length of the PQ. Okay, suppose it is 6.2 centimeter, you will measure at first 6.2 centimeter. 6.2 centimeter means here, this portion. But in the blackboard, if I take this measure, you do not observe. So suppose this is a line segment PQ. PQ a line segment. Which instrument used to construct this line segment? Scale. Okay. Now second question is said that draw a perpendicular bisector of PQ. Perpendicular bisector of PQ. There have two processes. Or two methods. I am applying the first method. At first, you may draw the bisector by following this method. At first, look, take more than half of radius. If you take these measures, it is also correct, but you will look your copy where it is suitable, where it should be drawn clearly. Okay, now I have taken this more than half of radius, cut here, from right end point, from the right end point, without changing the length. Now this is the intersecting line. Now add okay. Suppose it is AB, they intersect at O. At first I have drawn the PQ of 6 cm, 6.2 cm, and with the help of the pencil compass, I have taken from the left hand point, taken more than half of radius, then cut to either side of the line segment, and without changing the measures from the point Q, I have also intersect, and we see that two intersecting points meet at A and B, then join A and B. Okay, so AB is perpendicular bisector of PQ. AB is perpendicular bisector of PQ. So this is the first method. Secondly, we use the another process. What is the process? Suppose it is 6.2 centimeter. So with the, suppose it is PQ. Okay. Now from the, take any point, suppose O, and draw an arc. Okay. Next, there have some length. They intersect the PQ line in M and N. This is M point, this is N point. Okay. From the figure, we see that PQ, the line segment PQ intersect by M and N point. Okay. Next, second step. This is just like the previous method. Take more than half of radius. This is the radius of the semicircle, and take more than half of radius here. Then cut only upper side. Only upper side. Okay. Then add. Now, so suppose SO. So SO is perpendicular bisector of PQ. This is the second method. Okay? So as you like, which is easy, you may use any method. This is a line segment PQ that is bisected a perpendicular line by SO. Next, draw a line segment AB 5.6 cm and then perpendicular bisector AB. It is just like that. Question number 3, draw an angle equals to AOB given in the joining figure. That means here an angle is given. So you have to measure the angle and construct. Next, question number 4, draw an angle of 50 degree with the help of the protector and draw a ray bisecting the angle. That means construct an angle and bisect the angle. Okay. Now I am going to the problem number 4. An angle, suppose ABC, suppose 50 degree. At first construct the angle with the help of the protector. So use the protector and construct. Use the protector and construct. At first draw a line segment. Here suppose AB. Then with the help of the protector, to the left hand point, I am drawing the angle of 50 degree in the point of left hand point. That means point A. So place the protector to the left hand point, just to the left hand point, the middle point, and you will look that the line is passing through the 0 degree. Okay. What is the measure of the angle? 50 degree. Now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. So 50 degree angle. Join the point with the vertex A. Suppose P. It is a 50 degree angle. Which instrument is used to construct with the protector? Next, with the help of the pencil compass, I will bisect it. Okay. So this step is very important. Look very carefully. At first draw any arc. From the vertex A. At first construct any arc. Okay. Next step. Measures this portion and cut here. Suppose you may take more than half of radius. Suppose here. Now cut to the right side from this intersecting point, and from this intersecting point also cut. Then join with the vertex the intersecting point. Okay, suppose it is M. So at first angle PAB, that means I have taken here ABC, that means PAB. Just for matching to the figure, I have changed PAB, 50 degree. So angle PAB was 50 degree. I have constructed with the help of the protector. Then I have bisected, and AM is the bisecting line. AM is a bisector. AM is the bisector of angle PAB. So we know that if PAB is 50 degree and it is bisected, so two angles are formed. What is the name of the angle? PAM. PAM equal to angle BAM. That value will be 50 divided by 2. Why 50 divided by 2? Because this angle was 50 degree. I have bisected. AM is the bisector. So each angle will be half of the main angles. Understand? So this is the problem number 2. Next, there are so many problems. I will draw some importance. Next, question number 8. Draw a line AB, take a point P outside it. Draw a line passing through P and parallel to AB. Just you think when we were introduced the chapters and drawn the figure, draw a line segment, take a point outside the line and take a point on the line and join it, and from the P make an arc and construct the alternate angle here. That line will be the parallel. Okay. So at first, what is said, the question is said that draw a line segment AB. So at first, by using the scale, draw a line segment AB. Suppose it is AB. Take a point outside the line. Take a point outside the line. You may take the point here, any time, any places. You may take the point. Okay. And it is said that it is P. The question there has said, take a point outside the line segment. Okay. And make a parallel line PQ. Make a parallel line PQ or MN. What is given? MN. There is given AB. Okay. Suppose MN. MN parallel line should be done. Okay. So at first, from this point, at first take a point on the line AB. Suppose E. Take a point on the line. Take a point on the line. Take a point on the line. Take a point on the line E. Take a point E on the line, then join them. Join them. Look very carefully. There have an angle constructed. There have an angle constructed. There have an angle constructed. Next, second step. Second step. You look very carefully. There have an angle. If you will construct the angle from the point P, then automatically a line will be appear. That will be the parallel to AB. that will be the parallel to AB. So with the help of the pencil compass, at first measure this angle. Take an arc from the point E, vertex. This is an angle. Okay, without changing from the point P, draw an arc. You just keep into your mind the steps, how it is constructed. Next, third, measures the arc. That is the opening part of two lines. That is an angle. What is an angle? The opening part of two intersecting lines is called an angle. So at first I have taken an arc from this and drawn from the point P. Just I am copying the angle as alternate. Then measures this opening part very carefully. Measures the opening part, and from this intersecting point cut here. From this intersecting point cut here. From this intersecting point cut here. Okay. Then join with the scale. So this is the perpendicular. There have said in the question Mn. I am recapping again. How to construct a parallel line to a given line from a point outside the line. At first I have drawn a line segment AB. Then have taken P point outside the line. To construct an angle, I have also taken point E on the line AB. Then join P and E. An angle is constructed. An angle is formed. Then, next step, I have drawn an arc from the vertex E, and from the point P, I have constructed the arc here. Then measures the opening part with the compass, and from this intersecting point I have cutted here, and P and this intersecting line add. Then automatically PQ Mn, a line is appear, and this line is perpendicular to AB. So AB not perpendicular, parallel. AB parallel Mn. AB parallel Mn. Understand? So there are so many problems. In the next classes we will solve the another problems.